are looking at, it says, we enter into the place of prayer, and the Spirit of God now begins to travel. So the way, the Bible says you are changed into the same image by the Spirit. When the Spirit is changing that thing is when you are in the place of prayer. In other words, you are beholding it in prayer, and as you are praying and you are looking at that thing, the travail of the Spirit starts, and what the Spirit wants to do is to cause that thing you are looking at to swallow up what you are seeing physically there. In other words, life will swallow up that particular thing. So you must be looking at something while you are there praying and travailing. And what confession does, your words do, is to cast the image of what God has promised on your consciousness, so that when you enter into prayer, that's why Jesus said, whosoever shall say to this mountain, be thou removed and cast in his hand, shall not doubt in his heart, but believe that those things that he says shall come to pass, he will do what? Have whatsoever he says. Then he says, therefore I say unto you, whatsoever things you desire, when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you shall do what? Have them. Which means is in prayer, you actually have what you have been saying. Do you get what I'm saying? Now, the problem is people are praying with no image before them. That's why he says, if you abide in me and my words abide in you, you shall ask what you do what? You will. There are no image.